Hi, in this video we will discuss some very important setting of this Blender software. Okay, so for it you need to go here edit section, then after go to this preferences section, and here you will get a option of system. Click here system. Okay, and it will show some settings regarding to your system. For the first time it will maybe selected in the none section, but if we are using nvidia processor, okay, nvidia graphics card, not processor, nvidia graphics card, then you will get option of CUDA and optics. And if we are using amd, then this will comes in hip section, I think. And if you are using apple, I'm advising you to explore all of this section. And whenever you will get setting like this, then you need to select graphics card only. Okay, do not select the processor i5. I'm using i5 11 generation. If you are using any Ryzen processor, any Apple processor, then no need to select this one. So I have a graphics card of RTX 3050 right now in my PC. So I have selected this NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. Okay, and if you are using Ryzen processor or AMD processor or a graphics card, then check this HIP section as well and open API section as well. Okay, and if there is no any graphics card in your PC, then this will not show in your setting. Okay, then you have only one option to select, that is called the processor. Okay, this is called CPU as well. So if the setting is showing in the graphics card, then select this one, otherwise you can leave it. Okay, there is no need to worry. Then after the another setting is undo steps. The by default is 32, but I'm using this 100. This undo steps means you can undo 100 steps backward from right now. Okay, so this will help us for smooth working. Then after you need to go here input. Okay, and enable this setting. This is the most important setting here, emulate 3 button mouse. So enable this one because this is the important setting. Okay, and I'll explain this, no need to worry. And here allow this online option. Okay, this will show you that blender latest version of this blender is asking for the internet access. Okay, so you need to allow this, so I'm allowing this. And okay, and this will come in our screen. Okay, we will use this. And if it is not visible anything here, so you need to select this button, not this button, and enable all of this. Okay, if it is disabled, then there is blank screen, so you need to enable these 3 settings. Okay, then after go to this add-on section and search here node wrangler, but it is showing here node wrangler. I think it is showing node wrangler. If it is not showing, then search here node wrangler. Okay, and if it is still not showing, then no need to worry, we will discuss it in the further videos. And if it is showing, then enable this one. Okay, then everything is now set up, and we will explore these settings further during our projects. Okay, now go to this navigation section and make sure that this perspective is enabled, because this is also important settings and we will use this further in our projects. Okay, now everything is good to go. Okay, so this is some important settings of the blender, and I'll meet you in the next video, my friend. Bye.